Okay, so this is my garden, and this is how I've made my beds. They're in a U shape here, and what I've done is there's just meadows, and I dug down a foot or so, made a square, then flipped that onto the sod to raise it up and to smother the weeds in between and get double layer of topsoil. Then inside this pathway here, I put wood chips, and I've inoculated it with wine cap, King stropharia mushroom spawn that I made myself. And I did that to all of these beds and all of these pathways. And pretty much everywhere you dig, there's mycelium. We'll go around and find some. And so these pathways were pretty close to being level to these beds last year. And the mycelium has eaten quite a bit of it, and a lot of the wood chips have broken down. Oh, I lied. Oh, there we go. There we go. Lots and lots of mycelium. Look at that chunk. And all we have to do is grab a piece like this. And these are some beds that we've recently added chips to. And so here's the spawn. We're gonna just get into there. You could break this up into many pieces and spread it around, which I probably should do. I'm just gonna jam a whole bunch right in there. Awesome. Now that should start to colonize this, because we're gonna keep filling wood chips into these pathways, which really helps retain the moisture. The fungal bank is great for these beds. And we have lots of hay on top to help keep that moisture in, protect and feed the worms, and all kinds of biology in there. So, some wonderful soil here. So we're expecting the King stropharia to start flushing in the next couple of weeks. And when they do, they don't stop all season. They go until early winter. And now's going to be the best time to get them, because there's no bugs. There'll be no bugs for the first few weeks. But after that, there'll be bugs. And I don't like the mushrooms when they get buggy. I try to pick them when they're really small. But in the fall, that's the other good time to eat them, when there's no bugs as well. I'll update you guys. Oh man, that's just mycelium everywhere. I'll update you guys when I get some flushes. Ho ho ho. Can anybody see that? Holy moly. Yeah, so the mushrooms will flush right into the ground and the soil, as well as right on the chips. Okay, good luck.